Imagine carrying 6 heavy bowling balls around with you every single day.
This is the physical weight of the added sugar that hides in a typical modern diet, often unnoticed.
Most of us aren't spooning this out of a sugar bowl. We are eating it without even realizing it.
Hello, and welcome to Vitality Axiom. We want you to check in with yourself for a moment. Do you ever feel a sudden crash of energy in the mid-afternoon? Or maybe you find yourself craving something sweet even though you just finished a full meal? You might think this is a lack of willpower, but science tells us it is actually biology. Today, we are going to look at exactly what happens inside your body when you eat added sugar.
First, we need to clear up a major confusion. Not all sugar is the enemy. Natural sugars are packaged with fiber, but added sugars are stripped of those nutrients. That difference changes everything.
Let's use an analogy. Think of your digestion like a rainstorm.
When you eat an apple, the fiber acts like a sponge. It soaks up the sugar and releases it slowly.
But when you drink a soda, there is no fiber. It is a flash flood. The sugar hits your system all at once.
This flash flood causes a massive spike in blood glucose. Your body panics. It screams out for a hormone called insulin. Think of insulin like a doorman. Its job is to open the doors of your cells so the sugar can get inside.
When you have a flash flood of sugar every day, the doorman gets overworked.
Eventually, he stops answering. This is called insulin resistance. The sugar is trapped in your blood.
It damages your blood vessels in your heart. And your pancreas? It burns out. This is the path to type 2 diabetes. But the damage isn't just in your blood. It happens in your liver too. Your liver is like a storage unit.
When you consume too much added sugar, the unit fills up. The liver has no choice but to turn that excess sugar into fat.
Now, why do we crave it? That is your brain talking. When you eat sugar, your brain releases dopamine.
Think of your brain like a slot machine. Every time you eat sugar, you pull the lever and get a jackpot.
You feel great for a moment. But then comes the crash.
The machine goes dark. You feel tired and irritable.
And the only way to light it up again? You eat more sugar.
So, how do we fix this? First, we have to stop believing the myths. Myth number 1, honey and agave are better than white sugar. The truth, to your body, sugar is sugar. Myth number 2, I don't eat candy, so I'm safe. Actually, added sugar is hiding everywhere.
It's in your salad dressing, your bread, and even your healthy flavored yogurt.
Here is the golden rule. When you see 4 grams on a label, visualize exactly 1 teaspoon.
So if that healthy yogurt has 16 grams of added sugar, that is 4 teaspoons of sugar.
Would you put 4 spoons of sugar in your mouth? Probably not. But the label hides that reality.
Leading heart health experts recommend a strict daily cap. For most adults, the limit is actually less than the sugar found in a single can of soda. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to be smart. Here are 3 simple swaps.
Number 1, the savory swap. Trade that sticky BBQ sauce for tangy mustard to cut hidden sugar instantly.
Number 2, the baking hack. You can simply cut the sugar in your recipes by 25% and you won't even taste the difference.
Number 3, the power pair. Don't eat sweets alone. Pair them with protein or nuts to slow down the absorption.
Your body is incredibly resilient. It doesn't need added sugar to function. If you start cutting back today, your liver, your heart, and your energy levels will thank you. You don't have to hit 0. You just have to take back control. Thanks for watching.